Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we got a Spring Black Friday huge 3-day sale from Habor Freight. It's what is it? Extended store hours 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Friday and Saturday. Save 92%. Friday April 12, Saturday April 13, Sunday April 14. So this is basically like your parking lot sale, but they named it Spring Black Friday sale. Alright, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. And let's go ahead and get started. See if I can get it. Alright. As I mentioned in my other videos, we got this a great deal, especially now that the spring's here. This is a great item. I do have this item. It's on sale. It's actually the lowest I've seen it so far on all the parking lot sales. So $49.99, great deal there. If you ever see here, 9.5 bar with 3/8 pitch, Oregon chain, and automatic chain feeder oiler. It does work real good. You guys ever need the replacements for these? I do have. Leave me a comment down below. I can get you the part number, so you can look it up online. You got the Predator super quiet inverter generator, $699 or $689.99. You got the 2000 watts super quiet inverter generator, so it's the smaller version of this thing. This one's huge, $449. This is more portable, so if you got a bad back, I would recommend getting this one. 24 foot 18 bulb 12 socket outdoor string lights, $17.99. You got the 3 pump rapid pump 3-ton steel heavy duty low profile jack, $79.99. You got the cards, all the colors, $189.99. I seen coupons out there for $169, but I don't believe it includes the new cards or the new colors, just these 3. And on the back here, we got 4-channel wireless surveillance camera system with 2 cameras, $199. You got the angle grinder, $99.99. Always seen it at that price. Nothing crazy. This is a great item here. It's a good price. $17.50 PSI electric pressure washer, $69.99. It's actually one of the lowest prices we've seen. It's a good price here. They did lower the price. 400-pound capacity heavy duty miter saw stand. So if you guys need a miter saw stand, $89.99 for that. Airless paint sprayer kit, $164. Flux cold welder for $94.99. This is actually lower than before. We've seen these for $100. 10 feet by 17 feet portable garage, $167. 6 pattern trigger spray nozzle, $3.99. I do have this one, works real good. This one we usually get it for 99 cents. There's coupons out there for it, so just wait for that. 15-inch tool bag with 14 pockets, $5.99. Get a V-shape hang on, 99 cents. It's always been 99 cents. Ammo dry box, $3.99. You got the latex coated work gloves, 99 cents. That's a great deal. So if you want to get your free item, I don't have any coupons here, but look at my other videos where I have coupons. If you have if you want to stop by and get something like this, something that's 99 cents, you could always get your free coupon. This used to be a free coupon. I haven't seen it lately. It's 200 lumen LED work or super bright light flip light for $199. This is the 1x25. Usually we see this for free. 3-piece decorative solar LED lights for $5.99. Let's see here. These are the new batteries from is that it? Yeah. These are the new batteries from Habor Freight. They're supposed to be like Energizer or Duracell. That's actually the lowest I seen them for $6. So if you need batteries, stack up on them. Bimetal reciprocating saw, $6.99. We always seen that price. 5 by 7 feet, $199. This is one of the free items. If you watch my free item video, this thing's huge. I'm just gonna cut it in half. Alright, continuing here. You got the 46-inch storage cabinet, $219. We've seen these for $200, but not lately. 225-piece mechanic set, $99. 5mm powder-free gloves, $4.99. Good price, great gloves. We got the Earthquake Pro Air Impact Wrench for $99.99. Great price here. It's always been at the parking lot sales, this amount. Great item. This 6 feet by 8 feet, we've seen this for $99 from the previous parking lot sales. You got the 3100 PSI gas, 6.5 horsepower, $339.99. And this is the new saw. They have Chicago. Oh, this is the old one. $224.99. This is the industrial tile brick saw there. And then you got the generator, 7250 running watts. 9,000 starting. $629. Let's see here. Jack stands. These are the 6-ton. Usually we get the 3-ton for $16, $16.99. See here, any other good items here? It's a nice one, but it's always been. This is another free item that they usually have. It's a great speed square. I do have this one. Works good. Alright, you got the 20-volt lithium cordless impact for $89.99. It's not bad. Usually it's more than $100. You got the 2,400 watt peak inverter for $119. It's not bad. 26-inch by 22 extra deep cabinets, $249. Not too bad either. You got the pneumatic adjustable roller seats, $19.99. Or you got this creeper. And then you got the miter saw stands, $134, $169, $299. So if you're doing DIY, these two are okay. If you're doing professional, I would just strongly suggest this one. This one's real good. This one's okay too for industrial, but I would definitely recommend this one for industrial. You got the 7-piece combination ratcheting wrenches, $18.99. This is the lowest we've seen it. It's $1 less. We usually see it for $19. You got the 588 tactical or the 310 lumens adjustable headlamp for just under $10. You got the 29-piece titanium for $13.99. Got the 4-amp fully automatic microprocessor controlled battery charger and maintainer for $21.99. 3/4 by 100 feet. $24.99. You got the flux core welding wire, $15.99. Let's see if anything else pops up. Nope. This is a good light here. It's a little bulky, but it can withstand some abuse. So if you abuse it, it shouldn't withstand it. If you throw it around and stuff like that. Alright, we got the Earthquake XT, 20-volt max, coreless, extreme torque. You got $239. Then you got this one, $129.99, which is a 3/8. You got a 4,200 for $279. It's always been that price. It's always been that, well, yeah, it's lower than, a little lower than what we've seen before. This used to be $29, now it's $24.99. 18-volt lithium cordless. Mechanics gloves, $3.99. These are great. Ultralight proof, crash proof, weather resistant lockable case, $29.99. The 20-gallon 135-piece, yeah, it's always been $169. This one's always been, well, it hasn't always been. Usually it's $15.99, but now they have it $1 down. Let's see here. There's just the bottle jack, 12-ton. Yeah, hydraulic bottle jack, $19.99. It's always been that price. It's a good deal here. This one's good, but it's always been $60. It's a great item. I do have it. I do have the review on that. 6 feet by Type 2 fiberglass stepladder, $49.99. It's a good price. Usually Home Depot has one. It's like $54 or $60. Batland XZR 9,000 pound electric winch, $249. You got the 6.5 horsepower, $99. This is a free item, so there's another free item too. So wait out for the coupons on those. And I guess that's the last page, yeah. Alright guys, well that's it for today. I guess the better deal, this one is this item here. The pole saw and the pressure washer, the miter saw stand, and some of the other good items there. Alright, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.